Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Kulfi is a very famous Indian dessert, and people of all age groups love it. Let's start the recipe. Pour milk into the saucepan and start heating it on low heat. Add saffron. Keep stirring until the milk starts to boil. Soaked almonds and add 4 tablespoons milk to make a paste. 3 tablespoons vanilla custard powder. Add 2 tablespoons milk in it. Add almond milk. Add custard milk. Stir continuously. Add 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. Don't stop stirring until it has thickened. Add pinch of green cardamom powder. Add Kulfi flavor essence. Keep aside for cool down. Set in a Kulfi mold. Cover it with foil paper and insert stick. Now refrigerate it for overnight. The pleasure of serving your family homemade kulfi is nothing like a store-bought kulfi. The smile, the pride, and the love this homemade kulfi will bring to you definitely worth the effort. Thanks for watching and don't forget to share your feedback with us.